It's another historic day at the U.S. Supreme Court. Justices are hearing a landmark case to decide if former President Donald Trump can stay on the primary ballot, possibly if he's even eligible to run for president again. At issue, a clause in the 14th Amendment and Trump's actions leading up to the January 6th Capitol attack. Our Mugo Digwe explains the outcome could have implications for a similar case in our state.
This is a crucial case, and the eventual outcome will have a major impact on the upcoming national election. You may remember a group of voters in Colorado first challenged Trump's candidacy based on his actions on January 6th. They argued it violated Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, which disqualifies officers of the United States who have engaged in insurrection or rebellion from holding office. Colorado Supreme Court agreed, and Trump appealed, which brings us to today as the U.S. Supreme Court hears arguments in the case. U.S. Senator from Illinois Dick Durbin has called on Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas to recuse himself from the case. That's because after January 6th, it became public that Thomas's wife was texting with Trump's chief of staff in an effort to overturn Trump's election loss.
I thought about it long and hard. I've never done this before. And my feeling is that Justice Thomas has some serious issues that really reflect on the integrity of the United States Supreme Court. This situation where his wife was directly in touch with the Trump administration in the White House during the period of the election denial really says to me he should step aside from this decision for the good and reputation of the court.
Something else to note, there are challenges to Trump's candidacy in more than 30 states, including right here in Illinois. In fact, an effort to remove him from the Illinois primary ballot is still very much in progress. Some of these states have primaries coming up in March, so they are likely looking to see how the Supreme Court rules on this ongoing Colorado case. That decision should come down by the end of this month and will, of course, keep you updated. In the control room, Mugo Digwe, CBS 2 News.